Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to create a split payment group. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to Google Pay. After you open the application, it will look something like this. Here, click on the search icon at the top right corner. Now, scroll down and under the text all people on UPI, you will see an option saying new group. Click on this option and this is going to open your contacts. Now, choose the people you want to split the payment with, that is, with whom you want to create the split group. Now, select those people, click on the Add People button at the bottom. After that, you'll have to enter the group name at the top. Now click on Create. After you click on Create, it will open up the chats and it will look something like this. Now you can easily split an expense by clicking on this blue button that says Split an Expense. After you click on this button, enter the amount you want to split, then click on Next. Now click on Send Request. After that, you'll have successfully created a split payment group. So that's how you can create a split payment group. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.